In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use template in CapCut. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut, either in your web browser or through the mobile or desktop app. The interface is similar across platforms, so use whatever's most convenient for you. Once you're on the main page or workspace, you'll see a section dedicated to templates. This is where CapCut showcases ready-made projects designed by creators, complete with transitions, text styles, timing, and sometimes music. Think of templates as a shortcut to a polished edit without building everything from scratch. Scroll down to browse the available templates. Take a moment to explore categories and pay attention to the format labels, like 9:16 for vertical videos. That way, you can match the template to where you plan to post, whether it's a vertical reel or a widescreen clip. You can also glance at the thumbnail and preview to get a feel for the vibe and pacing before you commit. When you find one that fits your style or goal, select it. Opening the template page will typically show you a preview and some helpful details, such as the number of media placeholders and the recommended duration. This is important because it tells you how many clips or photos the template expects, and roughly how long each should be. If a template calls for 6 clips, have 6 ready, and try to pick footage that matches the mood and movement of the sample. Click. Use this template to load it into the editor. CapCut will bring the template into your timeline with all the effects, timing, and text already set up. The beauty here is that you're borrowing the template's effects for your own video, so you don't need to rebuild transitions or motion graphics. You'll simply swap in your content. Now, replace the placeholders with your media. Click Replace. Then choose your video or photos from your device or media library. Add them in the order the template suggests, usually left to right in the timeline. If your clips are longer than the slots, CapCut may auto-trim them to match the timing. You can fine-tune by adjusting in and out points so that key moments land on beat. Keep an eye on framing and orientation. If the template is vertical, use vertical footage or crop thoughtfully so the subject stays centered. As you replace each slot, use the preview to check timing, text readability, and transitions. Make small tweaks as needed, and you're done. That's all you need to start using templates in CapCut quickly and confidently.